Welcome back my YouTube friends. So on this channel you have seen me doing digital art, drawing with the pencils and drawing with the markers. So today I'm gonna do painting. I'm gonna try on this channel to do as much art things more I can do, and today we're gonna paint. So if you want to see more videos about digital art, pencils, markers, tattoos, any sorts of artistic videos, just press subscribe. Because I believe if you're an artist, you should be able to do loads of things at the same time, which means you don't stick to one painting, or you don't stick to only tattoos, or you feel like you can't do this and you can't do that. If you're an artist, you gotta be able to do. So today's practice is painting, so let's start. So these are the brushes I have. I have no idea if they're good or not, but I'll make them work. These are the paints I have, acrylic paint, so we'll see how that works. I've done some painting before, that's literally the same box for the paint, but I use it to mix the colors. And this is gonna be the canvas who's given me by family friend, so I really hope this is gonna turn out really good. If not, then oh well. We tried. My plan, my vision is to do some sort of sky, an opening, some clouds around it, and a few birds there and there. I think that's not going to be so complicated, but we'll see how it goes. And at the same time, my little daughter is going to be painting on this one, so you're going to see that in the end as well, so stay tuned. So this is the end result. I really hope you can understand what that is. If not, then that is meant to be a dark sky and then the birds fly up to the middle. I was trying to do something really dynamic when in the foreground you got really dark clouds and then up in the air there's like a hope, there's sun, and then the birds fly there where the sun is, and it's quite dark in the background where we are, and then the clouds kind of like wash away and then the hope is coming. I think for my skill set I did pretty good, to be honest. I made quite a lot of contrast. I tried to get all the black birds where the whites is this, so they stand out same as there, and then brought them in the middle, starting from the big ones going to small ones into fadey ones. So yeah, so I don't know, maybe you're gonna do some more paintings in the future, but for now I think I'm gonna stick to the paper. Plus this material is quite rough and it gives me a headache with all these little white bumpy spots, and I'm really used to the nice and smooth paper, and I can make really good smooth transitions when it comes to painting. I'm a bit frustrated when it doesn't come as I want him to look. So yeah, on this channel you're gonna see painting probably in the future. You're gonna see more digital artwork, more tattoos, more sketches, and I don't even know what else you're gonna see, but I'm gonna do all sorts of art. And what I wanted to suggest you guys is, because I want to make more videos, because I like to make videos and I like to spread my knowledge, I want to know what you wanna know. You know, I can make millions of videos, but if that's nothing you wanna hear, then no point of making. So I need your help to know what you want.